we go. Oh, shit. This might be a drum. But I don't want to put too much on them. Yeah, this might be a black drum. I marked one big fish on the piling, about 20 feet down. Sure enough. Oh yeah, this thing digging. It's got to be a black drum for sure. I mean, if it's a sheep, it's a big old sheep too, you know. Oh, it's just a big old sheep. Oh my gosh. It is a monster sheep. Holy crap. Do y'all see that? Dang. Oh, that's a citation all day. Come on this side, please, buddy. Oh yeah, this is... Oh, it's not over. Come here. Don't worry, I'm gonna tire you out. Oh, you just about done now. Look at that. Man, I gotta get a measurement on that. Holy crap. Dude. That is a monster. Holy crap. Yeah, that's a good one. Look at that. Mm. 25. Yeah, like I said, that is a donkey.